You know, I took her out of the box this morning and I absolutely love her. Yeah, I said I took her out of the box this morning. This is a wig. I know. It is absolutely unbelievable how far they have come with the realism of these things. I mean, come here, get closer. Take a look at the hairline on this thing. Just get in here. Look at this hairline. Look at this hairline. If I didn't tell you, would you ever guess that this is a wig? No, you absolutely wouldn't. I have reclaimed my life. I used to spend hours and hours in my hairdresser's chair. Sitting there and in the booth next to me, Mrs. Franciscus just going on and on complaining about her daughter-in-law. Well, I don't have hair anymore, so I don't have to do that. I just wear wigs. It has completely changed my life and made it so flippin' easy. And in terms of that realism, oh my God, come here, get in here and feel these. Feel these fibers. They just feel so good. I said fibers. This is not even real human hair. No, they call them synthetic fibers. And I don't know what they're made out of. I don't know if it's plastic or what. All I know is that, I'm supposed to avoid, the heat from campfires or the heat from, direct heat from an oven, which really is not much of a bother because I was never much of a cook. And at first I was really nervous about wearing wigs. I used to kind of stick to the same color and the same style. And then I thought, what is the fun in that? So now I just kind of experiment. And my dear husband, he comes home to a different woman every day. I mean, not like that gigolo Marvin from down the street. I mean, he comes home to me. We have been faithfully married to each other for quite some time. But anyway, it's just absolutely free. Well, hey, where are you going? Where are you going? I have more to tell you. And I also have a 40% off coupon for a lot of the major manufacturers for this weekend. Oh, and we haven't even begun to talk about the scalp. This is a monopod, and the scalp is so flippin' realistic. I mean, it looks like it is growing out of the top of my head. Even if the wind blows, there is no problem. You must have someplace really important to be. That is fine. I will catch you. You know what? I will be here tomorrow. Same place, same coffee, same table. I'll see you then. Okay.